guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and let's jump into today's projects. Let's get started. These are the supplies for our beautiful Christmas tree tabletop decor. First, we're going to take our dowels as you see me here, and we're going to measure them with our wood piece. And then we're going to take some wood glue and we're going to add some wood glue to the bottom of our dowel so we can glue that to the bottom or to the wood piece. And after we finish that, we're going to let it dry completely. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take that burlap you see there and we're going to paint it. This is a quick and easy, beautiful DIY for your tabletop. And we're going to use for that, to paint our burlap, that leaf green paint. And we're going to paint it completely. We're going to paint 2 of those using that paint. We're going to continue painting until we finish. You don't have to give it a good coat. We just want to cover that on the green color. Now we're going to let them dry, and then we're going to work with a paint stirring stick and some antique wax, and I'm going to paint that using the antique wax. And then I'm going to wipe all the excess using a paper towel. As you see me here, I'm painting it, and then I'm gonna take my paper towel like that and wipe off the excess. We paint it completely, and then we're gonna let that dry. If you like what you see here, you can subscribe because I will be making some of that decor and also boho and modern farmhouse. Now I'm going to cut 3 triangles, 2 of the green burlap and 1 on the natural color burlap. I'm cutting a green big one for the bigger dowel, and I'm cutting a small one for my smaller dowel. And then I'm going to take the brown burlap or the natural colored burlap, and I'm gonna cut a medium triangle for my medium dowel. Just like that. We cut them completely, and then we're gonna add some hot glue to our dowels. But first we're gonna paint our letters with Snow White apple barrel acrylic paint. And what we're gonna paint here, or right here, it's "Oh Christmas Tree." And as you see me, I am just writing that down. It doesn't have to be perfect, but if you want, you can use some stickers or maybe cut something on your machine, but I just wanted to write that down using my handwriting. It's not perfect, but I like it. And now I'm gonna add that "Oh Christmas Tree" to that, and we're gonna let that dry completely before gluing it to our piece. And if you know me, I really like those exclamation marks. So I'm gonna add 2 because I always use 2. And I'm gonna add those because it's a really happy "Oh Christmas Tree." And we add those 2, and then we move on to attaching our burlap to our dowels. Just a little bit of hot glue and just press it down, and that will be it. Then we're gonna move on to gluing our "Oh Christmas Tree" sign to our piece, and that will be it. You will have a beautiful rustic tabletop decor. This is part of the Christmas in July DIY challenge, and this is hosted by Tamara from Love My Babies Forever, and also hosted by Shushana from Regal Designs by Shushana, and she has another channel called The Cleaning Queen. I'm gonna leave you the links on the description box down below. This is how it turned out. As you can see, I have it styled with the presents I made for the last challenge. And this is how it's looking. In the description box down below, I'm going to leave you the link to the playlist and also to both of our challenge hosts, including the Cleaning Queen channel. I just want to take this opportunity to thank them for bringing us this awesome challenge. I'm enjoying the Christmas in July because I needed some of that Christmas cheer. And this is how it's looking. Remember, if you like what you see here, and also Modern Farmhouse and Boho Decor, subscribe. So if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.